Here we are in Toontown at Disneyland, and we're going to ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad, the first Mickey Mouse themed ride-through attraction at a Disney theme park. Features an original story based on the stylized world from the Paul Riddish television series. The ride features a new technology known as 2.5D, 3D without glasses, to give depth to the 2D environments. It also includes more hidden Mickeys than any existing ride. So, let's head on in and enjoy the ride.
Hi, Toby! Well, the beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're very trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Yeah, I guess I could do that for you, Vicky.
Thanks. You'll be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
That wasn't your cartoon you go. Have a blast.
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the world. Hey, Mickey dear. Bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch!
And that's where I get it all but go. Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop these things? I'll just check my trusty man. Oh, that's smart. Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We've had one crazy ride. On my side, the stars will be alright. Nothing can stop us now. The stars will be alright. Nothing can stop Gosh, everyone! Looks like we're experiencing a brief delay. Please remain seated, and we'll get your runaway railway running away again real soon.
Here we are, back in the car. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. Thank you very much.